welcome to another video. Today we'll be playing all of my Minecraft world. Stone house, tree house, underground house. It's actually gonna be what the?
It's me, Hannah. You're here. Yeah. We're just finalizing some matter for our European center, Korea. He's here now. I have to go.
What?
I'm sorry, I did it. I got excited when I saw how it's going.
It's gonna be done. That's gonna be.
Oh, it's okay. No problem.
I need to put everything back where they belong. Blech. Okay. Okay, so what do we need? Yeah. Diamond. This. Wait, actually, the little tree. Hold on.
Asan ba to si Nina? Absent, di mo lang nagsasabi, kaloka?
We'll do that. Be fine. We'll do a large chest. Wait, what?
Hi.
Hi.
Kali,
Okay.
are
Done.
you okay?
Now we
May
have
problema ba tayo? May nagawa ba ako?
Wala.
Okay, ganito. Na-answer my text, my calls, tumawag ka, pero nung tumawag ko,
Baka kasi may stop ko kayo niya.
sasend ko sa akin ni Hannah.
Hindi. Bakit eh? Hindi naman tayo.
Yeah, pero
Okay.
I thought picture getting better.
This.
Bye-bye. Sa Korea, di ba?
This.
Lasting ako.
Now.
Eh, kahit na lasing ka, pero ang ginagawa ko. Sabi ko, talaga.
This is gold.
Wala
So
lang.
need gold. Need gold. Where is? Found it. Found it. Oh my! What did I just press?
It doesn't matter. Kasi kung mahal kita, hindi. Wala atin. Ganyan kasi, nagsusunod.
Okay.
Pagkatapos, iiwan pa din ako.
Excited ka.
Next,
Paano ba
ayan.
ako nang nangyayari?
This is
Oo, okay. Yung walang tigilan na natin.
Ano mo nalaman?
Kasi wala pa akong nakilalang lalaki. Hindi nagloko.
Pero may mga nagbabago.
need some
Wala pa akong nakilala.
flippers. Oh yeah, I'm gonna build a leathers. I'm gonna build a leathers. Just you wait. Just you wait, guys. Gonna build.
I did not just mistake.
Oh, we're going to the
ko alam kung pwede hindi mo alam. Bakit? Bakit mo palit? Ano pa? Ano sa mga mo sa'yo? Basta ako kaya. Ko ba hindi?
Now.
Hindi ko susunod. Kasi di ko kaya.
What's happening? What is happening? What just happened? What just happened? Is it glitch? Is it glitch?
Habang ang ex mo wasakto na dito, ikaw naman, sarap na sarap siya.
That was scary.
Kaya ito. Ikaw naman kasi, hindi ka na maintindihan. Gusto magmahal ayaw
Oh my
magmahal.
god.
Luka-lukate. Man! Si Fred Pinos yung tangway
Why
ha?
did I just
Pinapakita mo yun, ha? Nina, yung ex mo. Dapat naman kasi laptop mong ginamit eh.
I don't know. I'm just gonna eat it.
Wala. Kasi lang naman. Pinagyan mo na lang.
Salamat sa Diyo, ito Nina.
Sa ngayon, wala ako. Pero panigurado ako sa mga susunod. Ito hindi na pwede yan eh.
Yummy.
Pero parang hindi lang fix sa Gio kaysa kay Gani.
Pero mali eh.
O sige, ganito.
Yummy.
Magpapwesto tayo. Ang pinilitan mo siya may makanalaman nito.
Okay.
Kaya lahat ng pinaghirapan niya. Kalimutan ang mga pangarap
Oh
niya.
my god, this is so good. This is good.
Ganon.
Now I have to put it back in order. And this is right here. And make sure to like and subscribe. Bye. Peace. And 1,000 subs.